Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope your year started out amazingly. I want to start the year with this cute simple hairstyle that I wore for New Year's. Well, actually more like the day before New Year, and then I changed my hair for New Year. But you know what? Too much detail, but I'll be uploading the video of the other style later on. I started by sectioning my hair into two halves, and then I'm going to divide the top section into three halves. So, how has your new year started? What's new? What's your resolution? What's your biggest resolution for this year? Do you think it's achievable or is it not? I'm trying not to do New Year resolutions this year, trying to tell myself I'm making lifestyle changes, but we'll see how that goes. But I'm really trying my best. I have to go to the gym more often than I did last year. So I'm starting tomorrow actually with a cycling class, which I've been psyched to do. But let me get back into the video here. So I'm just using this shine jam to lay my hair, and also because it adds a little bit of a shine to your hair, so I like using it when I'm doing braids or flat twists. I'm going to do an inverted cornrow here, but if you cannot do a cornrow, you can do a flat twist. I'm going to leave videos down below that I've done an inverted cornrow if you want to check those videos out. They're also pretty amazing protective styles if you're looking for hairstyles to do. It's been quite rainy here where I live right now, and I love being in protective styles when it's raining a lot because I hate having to deal with my hair every day and worrying about the rain. So I am showing you guys, as you can see, it's not complicated. Once you do the line in the middle, it's pretty simple. It's almost like you're doing a fishtail, only that the fishtail is flat. But yeah, it's an inverted cornrow, and as you can see, it's fairly simple. Again, if you cannot do it, then definitely do a flat twist or the cornrow that, I don't know, the one that goes out instead of this one that goes inside. But I'm just going to repeat this on the other side as well. After detangling my hair, I don't think I showed you guys that I detangled my hair in this section. It's so much easier to braid or flat twist your hair when it's detangled, because you don't have to deal with your hair getting tangled and all that mess. So that's how it looks like after. And now I'm just going to work on the other section as well. So towards the end of last year, I like saying that 2019 is last year, I kind of became, I'm not going to say lazy, but sort of unmotivated to make videos, but I'm really trying to get back into it this year. And I have made a few videos already, so I'm definitely going to upload one video a week for now. I'll probably get back into uploading two videos a week, but I just want to, pace myself as I'm getting completely back into it. So I'm using the Gorilla Snot Gel to lay down the middle section. You can also still do a cornrow if you want to for this section, or if you don't want to, like me, because I get tired. So I just lay the hair into a middle bun. So guys, the goal is to upload a video. I think I'm uploading this on Sunday, but I think I'll probably get into uploading a video on Saturday. So every Saturday I'll have a new video. And then if I become good at uploading one video a week, then I'll try to get back into uploading two videos each week. I'm really sorry that the year, I ended the year pretty, oh my God, it was pretty dry. I didn't upload a lot of videos. If you guys, if you've been keeping up with me. By the way, if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I am definitely going to upload a video every Saturday, so make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of that. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the notification bar as well. But I'm using this, it's like a shine spray. I just like using it because I find that my hair is a little bit dull when I add gel to it. So this shine spray just makes it shiny, and it makes it match with the Mali hair. And it makes it match with the Mali hair ponytail that I'll be using. And I'm also just laying my edges with a toothbrush, and also still using the Gorilla Snot Gel. You can use edge control, but the Gorilla Snot Gel works for me. So yeah. This is what my hair looks like after wearing the scarf for about half an hour, and the hair is pretty much dry because I used just a little bit of water to moisturize my hair before I put it into the hairstyle. This is what we're looking like. So now I'm just going to go in with a pack of Mali hair. I didn't do anything at all to the hair. I just installed it the same way it comes into the pack. As you can see, it comes with a rubber band, and I pretty much just tie the rubber band around my little band, and then I take a few pieces of the Mali hair and I wrap around the band to make sure it's secure and it doesn't move a lot. Just to accessorize, I'm going in with these gold threads to make everything look nice and shiny. I don't know, just to add a little bit of personality to the hairstyle, you know? I think it's cute, so that's why I'm adding it. And as you can see, I feel like it changes it, right? It just adds something, something. Oh my God. I think I've been watching a lot of Nigerian and Ghanaian vlogs of at least people who went there for Christmas in December and the year of return. Like, I wish I went to. I wish I did, but those plane tickets were so expensive. I was like, girl, just stay home and have fun. So I did. But this is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. Happy New Year. Let me know what your plans are for this new year. I'd love to know what's your one thing that you want to achieve this year. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for coming to the channel, guys. I hope I see you guys here next time. And if you have not yet, guys, make sure you subscribe so that you do know when I upload a new video. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely week. Bye bye.